Hello students, we have completed unit 1 and from today we are going to start unit 2, which is scan conversion and output primitives. In this unit we will discuss about the different algorithms of drawing a point, a line, then a circle and ellipse. Let us see one by one. First, before going to start the algorithms, let us know about the what are the basics of line drawing or circle drawing algorithms. So the first, let us go through the scan conversion definition. So what is scan conversion and how it is used to draw any type of graphical pictures in computer graphics. So it is a process of representing graphics objects or a collection of a pixel. So it is a process of representing graphics object, a collection of pixel. That means that जितना भी pixels है, we have to collect it and we have to make a line, or we can say that any type of shape such as circle or ellipse. So the graphics objects are continuous and the pixels used are discrete. So each pixel can have either on or off state. So let me take an example such that this is a computer screen and these are pixels. Since the pixels are close to each other, so we cannot assume it like that. So let that these pixels are attached to each other, मतलब ये एक दूसरे से सटा हुआ है. और now we can say that if we have to make a line over it, so क्या होता है कि ये line होता है continuous, but जो pixels है वो होता है discrete और discontinuous. So we can see that the object is every time it is continuous and the pixels are discrete, मतलब टूटा टूटा. So what we have to do is that we have to join each and every pixel to make a line. So we can see that this line is very much continuous but the pixels are discrete. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि ये कैसे स्कैन कन्वर्जन होता है, ये प्रोसेस क्या होता है, ये मैकेनिज्म क्या होता है, वो हम पढ़ेंगे इस यूनिट में कि कैसे इस डिस्क्रीट को हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं कंटिन्यूअस में. So the circuitry of the video display devices of the computer is capable of converting binary values 0, 1 into a pixel on and off. तो 0 and 1 का हम जानते हैं, बाइनरी में we know that it means that on and off, and 0 is represented by pixel off. 0 का मतलब off होता है and 1 is represented by on. So using this ability, graphics computer represent pictures having discrete dots. So these are the discrete dots, and any model of graphics can be reproduced with a dense matrix of dots or points. तो जितना डेंस होगा उतना ज़्यादा पिक्सल, उतना ज़्यादा हमारा पिक्चर क्वालिटी अच्छा होगा, मतलब नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स बढ़ जाएगी. हम वी विल स्टडी दिस in this chapter also, in this unit also. So the number of more pixels in a screen, the quality of the image will increase simultaneously. So any model of graphics can be reproduced with a dense matrix of dots or points, and most human beings think graphics object as point, line, circles, ellipse. So we will see each and every algorithm for these. For lines we will see DDA line drawing algorithm, then Bressenham's line drawing algorithm, and for circle we will see midpoint circle drawing algorithm and Bressenham's circle drawing algorithm, and for ellipse we will see that midpoint ellipse drawing algorithm. So for generating the graphical objects, many algorithms have been deployed. So one by one we will go through all the algorithms. So before going to that, let us see the advantages and the examples and disadvantages of the scan conversion. So these are the advantages of scan conversion. The first one is algorithms can generate graphics objects at a faster rate. So with the help of any algorithm, the graphical objects are generated very faster. The rate of conversion is very faster, and using algorithms, memory can be used efficiently. Yes, we can use the memory very efficiently using these types of algorithms, and algorithms can develop a higher level of graphical object. So yes, with the help of one or two basic graphical object, we can convert, or we can make a picture of a higher level. So let us see that example which can be scan converted. So first one is point, and the second one is line. So what is line? Line is basically the joining part of 2 points. So we can say that here is a point A and here is a point B, और इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने वाला जो डॉटेड पिक्सल्स होते हैं वो होते हैं लाइन. सो दिस लेट मी चेंज द कलर सो दैट हाँ, यहाँ पे ये पिक्सल्स ऐसे डॉटेड है, बट डिस्क्रीट को हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं स्कैन कन्वर्जन से, सो दैट इट लुक्स लाइक कंटिन्यूअस इमेज. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज सेक्टर. We will see this in our tutorial class, that is our lab class. And arc, ellipse, rectangle, polygon, characters, and filled region. So what is filled regions? Filled regions are such that this is our screen, and we are making a triangle over here, and when we want to fill it, so we use fill color, or we can use flood fill, that is a function of graphics. तो फ्लड फिल क्या करता है कि जितना भी वो इमेज का बाउंड्री एरिया होता है, व्हाट इट डज दैट इट पोर्स द कलर टू दैट बाउंड्री रीजन, सो दैट द entire image or entire shape gets filled. So the process of converting is called rasterization. So rasterization is the process of converting anything into any discrete into continuous thing. So the algorithm's implementation varies from one computer system to another computer system. So ये vary इसलिए करता है क्योंकि हर एक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का अपना कुछ रिजोल्यूशन होता है, कुछ नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स होते हैं. So some algorithms are implemented using the software, and some are performed using hardware or firmware, and some are also performed using various combinations of hardware, software and firmware. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, सारा सॉफ्टवेयर से नहीं रिलेटेड होता है, कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर से होते हैं, कुछ हार्डवेयर से होते हैं, एंड कुछ हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड फर्मवेयर से मिक्सड अप होते हैं. तो लेट अस सी अबाउट द पिक्सल. सो द पिक्सल इज़ अ बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ एनी ड्राइंग एल्गोरिथम. सो द टर्म पिक्सल इज़ अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द पिक्चर एलिमेंट. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ पॉइंट और अ डॉट. So already we have seen that any point is known as pixel. It is a basic unit of drawing any shape or anything. So it is the smallest picture unit accepted by display device, and a picture is constructed from hundreds of such pixels, and pixels are generated using commands. Line, circle, arc, characters, curves are drawn using closely spaced pixels, and to display the digits or letter, matrix of pixel is used. So what is matrix of pixel? Matrix of pixel is the representation of vertical and horizontal arrangement. So we can see that the horizontal and vertical arrangement makes a block. So what is this block? This is a pixel. It is very much small. We cannot see it with our naked eye. कभी कभी हम किसी पिक्चर को, किसी इमेज को जूम करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा जूम करते हैं, तो वी कैन सी दैट आफ्टर वो मतलब पिक्चर फटा हुआ दिखता है. तो वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज़ अ स्क्वायर बॉक्स विच इज़ दैट इज़ अ पिक्सल, एंड उस पर क्या होता है कि वो स्क्वायर बॉक्स बहुत जूम करने पे हमें दिखता है. सो द क्लोजर द डॉट्स और पिक्सल्स आर, द बेटर विल बी द क्वालिटी ऑफ द पिक्चर. तो जितना छोटा ये बॉक्स होगा, मतलब जितना क्लोजर लाइंस ऑफ अरेंजमेंट्स होंगे, उतना पिक्चर का क्वालिटी बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगा. सो क्लोजर द डॉट्स आर क्रिस्पर विल बी द पिक्चर, एंड पिक्चर विल नॉट अपीयर jagged and unclear if pixels are closely spaced. So the quality of the picture is directly proportional to the density of pixels. So the quality of the picture is proportional to density of the screen or density of the pixel. So it is also defined as the smallest addressable unit or element of the screen, and each pixel can be assigned an address as shown in this figure. So we can say that this is a number of rows and columns, and we can name any of the pixel using the representation of pixel representation, or we can say that the point representation using x and y columns. So for example, this is of 5th row and 5th column, and it is 5,5. So that's all for this lecture. Stay tuned for next one. So thank you.